Centauri Carbon 2 Combo. How to replace the XY motors. Remove the lid. Plug in the power supply cable. Turn the power switch on. Open the front door. On the touchscreen, select Control Homing. After the homing process, on the touchscreen, select to lower the heated bed by 60 millimeters. Turn the power switch off. Unplug the power supply cable. Unplug the canvas communication cable. Release and remove the 16 screws securing the back cover with a 2 mm Allen key. Carefully open the back cover. Remove the canvas extension cable from the gap on the chamber cooling fan side. Release and remove the 2 screws securing the canvas extension cable with a 2 mm Allen key. Remove the back cover. Release and remove the 2 screws securing the CAN bus with a 1.5 mm Allen key. Release and remove the screw securing the tank chain with a 2.5 mm Allen key. Unplug the CAN bus. Release and remove the 2 screws securing the 4-in-1 hub with a 2 mm Allen key. Remove the 4-in-1 hub. Release and remove the 3 screws securing the canvas with a 2 mm Allen key. Hold the canvas when releasing the last screw. Remove the canvas. Release and remove the 2 screws securing the canvas holder with a 2 mm Allen key. Remove the canvas holder. Release and remove the 3 screws securing the front side of the upper frame housing with a 2 mm Allen key. Release and remove the 4 screws securing the left side of the upper frame housing with a 2 mm Allen key. Release and remove the 3 screws securing the back side of the upper frame housing with a 2 mm Allen key. Release and remove the 3 screws securing the right side of the upper frame housing with a 2 mm Allen key. Lift the upper frame housing. Move the CAN bus aside. Release and remove the 2 screws securing the tank chain with a 2 mm Allen key. Unplug the cables of the LED and the chamber thermistor. Pull the tank chain out from the right side. Release and remove the 6 screws on the back side of the partition with a 2 mm Allen key. Release and remove the screw on the partition with a 2 mm Allen key. Release and remove the 10 screws securing the bottom cover with a 2 mm Allen key. Remove the bottom cover. Release and remove the 2 screws securing the bottom of the partition with a 2 mm Allen key. Unplug the cables of the chamber cooling fan and the servo motor. Unplug the servo motor detection board cable. Unplug the auxiliary cooling fan cable. Release and remove the 2 screws on the back side of the left cover with a 2 mm Allen key. Release and remove the 3 screws on the upper part of the left cover with a 2 mm Allen key. Release and remove the 3 screws on the front and bottom parts of the left cover with a 2 mm Allen key. Remove the left cover. Pull the Z-axis timing belt to lower the heated bed to the bottom of the printer. Remove the partition. Unplug the cables of the X-axis motor and the Y-axis motor. Release and remove the two screws, securing the tensioner of the X-axis and Y-axis timing belts with a 2 mm Allen key. Remove the tensioner of the X-axis and Y-axis timing belts and the spring. Remove the tensioner of the X-axis and Y-axis timing belts on the other side in the same way. Release and remove the screws, securing the back side of the Y-axis motor with a 2 mm Allen key. Release and remove the two screws securing the front side of the Y-axis motor with a 2 mm Allen key. Hold the Z-axis motor when releasing the last two screws. Install the new Y-axis motor. Get the new Y-axis motor. Put the Y-axis motor in the installation position. Tighten the two screws securing the front side of the Z-axis motor with a 2 mm Allen key. Tighten the two screws securing the back side of the Y-axis motor with a 2 mm Allen key. Remove and install the X-axis motor on the other side in the same way. Get the tensioner and put it in the installation position. Press the X-axis and Y-axis belt tensioner in place. Tighten the two screws securing the X-axis and Y-axis belt tensioner. Install the X-axis and Y-axis belt tensioner on the other side in the same way. Plug in the cables of the left and right motors. Get the partition and put it in the installation position. Plug in the servo motor cable and the chamber cooling fan cable. Plug in the servo motor detection board cable. Pull the Z-axis timing belt to raise the heated bed to the middle of the printer. Put the left cover in the installation position. Tighten the two screws on the back side of the left cover. Tighten the three screws on the upper side of the left cover. Tighten the three screws on the front side and bottom of the left cover. Plug in the chamber cooling fan cable. Tighten the screw securing the upper part of the partition. Tighten the 6 screws securing the back side of the partition. Tighten the 2 screws securing the bottom of the partition. Put the bottom cover in the installation position. Tighten the 10 screws securing the bottom cover with a 2 mm Allen key. Put the upper frame in the installation position. Pass the tank chain through the upper frame. Move the CAN bus aside. Tighten the 2 screws securing the tank chain end. Plug in the cables of the LED and the chamber thermistor. Install the upper frame housing. Tighten the 3 screws securing the right side of the upper frame housing. Tighten the 3 screws securing the back side of the upper frame housing. Tighten the 4 screws securing the left side of the upper frame housing. Tighten the 3 screws securing the front side of the upper frame housing with a 2 mm Allen key. Get the back cover. Plug the canvas extension cable into the back cover. Tighten the 2 screws. Put the canvas extension cable into the gap on the chamber cooling fan side. Close the back cover. Tighten the 16 screws securing the back cover. Get the canvas holder and put it in the installation position. Tighten the 2 screws securing the canvas holder. Put the canvas in the installation position. Tighten the 3 screws securing the canvas. Plug in the communication cable of the canvas. Install the 4-in-1 hub onto the tool head. Tighten the 2 screws securing the 4-in-1 hub. Plug in the CAN bus. Tighten the 2 screws securing the CAN bus with a 1.5 mm Allen key. Tighten the screw securing the tank chain. Plug in the power supply cable. Turn the power switch on. On the touchscreen, select Control Homing. Confirm that the tool head can move normally in the XY directions and the printer is ready for use.